So Dad, just to be clear, are we looking for like the exact same cave? I mean, if it was me, I'm just throwing this out there. If it was me choosing the cave, I would go with a smaller cave.
Wait.
Dad?
I'll take care of this.
All right, Dad, get him! Go get him! Okay, now you got him right. Oh man, they're really bad.
I'm loving this.
Dad, I got it! Just stop running into their fists!
Rod, when you're done, we should get going.
Whoa! That's right. You can't get past this. Cave! Go! Go! Come on, hurry up. Let's go, come on.
Hey, look, this cave has a tongue! Awesome!
Okay, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And 7. If we're counting Chunky the Death Cat.
Ha! It's scared of the dark. Wait, we're scared of the dark.
Kill circle!